Hey y'all, so I'm back with a unboxing video like I said I would, and this is a package from Apex Gun Parts. They've been having some kit builds coming out, and this one's gonna be pretty interesting. Never thought I'd be able to get my hands on one of these. I was recommended by a Retro Retriever actually. He was the one who actually got one of these. His kit turned out pretty good, so yeah. If you can, go check out his Instagram and his YouTube. I'm gonna put that down in the comments. But yeah, let's see what this parts kit looks like. Oh boy. So right away there's a lot of packaging. So here's the lower receiver. Pretty good condition so far. Well, so a few minor cracks, but nothing too serious. Real dirty. There's that. The receipt. And if you guys already know what this is, comment below and help other people out. Well, here's the barrel. Okay. Pretty rough. Well, I shouldn't say pretty rough. Missing the front sight already. That carrying handle is pretty rough as well. But no major rust. Just minor. Significant cracks though in the carrying handle. Or the front grip. What else we got here? So here is the bolt carrying group. That, on the other hand, is in really nice condition, just covered in grease. Bipods. Not terrible condition, pretty good. Sorry for the traffic in the background. Pretty busy today. Okay, here we go. Feed ramp, locking lug, a few other small parts. Feed clip, that's a good condition. Here's the front of the receiver. A little bit of rust, but not too bad. Upper part. Yep. Looks to be most of there. There's the charging handle. Super dirty. Alright, let's do it out. Oh, that's it. I'll switch over and let you guys get a close-up view. Alright, so here's an up close. Like I said, it's pretty rough. But the internal parts are pretty good condition. Haven't looked down the bore yet, but from what I've heard, they're pretty good. And so for y'all know, this is a Hotchkiss 1922-24-26 issued to Turkey. Actually, here's the receiver right there. Won't be able to know exactly how I feel about it until I get it cleaned up. So yeah, that'll probably be the next following video, is the cleanup of everything. Thanks for watching.